Yeah, we're just recording and filming the music video for Connie. The song that we wrote for Connie. It's yep. It's this song is dedicated to her and all her loved ones. And my man Usilio will be my cameraman. Yeah, man.
But nobody's gonna make you change what you probably don't like anyway. But you, darling, so you might as well
Be somebody who can make you face what you got in. Open up the gates where your heart is.
I just want your
I don't wanna say my wrongs. You already know about my past was full of broken songs. People switched up on me, couldn't understand I was far too young. Try to fit in, but they just don't want this, so they hit and run. Wish I had someone to talk to. Yeah, I started from the same page, turned the page, I wrote down my name, put my whole heart in my songs, but they kept telling me it's a waste. Yeah, I tried to cope with the pain, felt it every day in my veins. Thought one day the pain would just fade away, but damn, I think it's too late. No, I'm just sitting in my room thinking about life. Don't know what I can do, but it's alright. Put yourself in my shoes, then you'll know why I am saying goodbye. Be somebody who can make you face what you got in. Open up the gates where your heart is, and just be yourself.
I'm Connie. Because at the end of the day, the Book of Mormon is another testament of Jesus Christ. And so, along with all the Book of Mormon heroes that we find in the Book of Mormon, it's only through our Savior Jesus Christ that we can receive that happiness.
All of my friends, all of my families, all the close ones that I love. I need a break from this fallen world, this burden is too much. Fought most of my battles alone, it's time to give it up. My God above is calling me to come, yeah. But I'll meet you in the morning, that glorious day when I see your face again. Don't cry for me, I'll be there for you when you call my name. Promise me you'll be strong for me, I hate seeing you this way. I tried but it's hard for me to stay. I'm just sitting in my room thinking about life. Don't know what I can do, but it's alright. Put yourself in my shoes, then you'll know why I am saying goodbye. But nobody